It's official. Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, has been confirmed as the home of Africa's travel indaba for the next 5 years. For almost 40 years, the world has come here to trade, to talk, to transform the future of African tourism. And every year, Africa's travel indaba has flourished in Durban, KZN, growing in scale, in impact, in global relevance. Every year, Africa's travel indaba attracts thousands of delegates from across the continent and the world. And with them come opportunities. Opportunities that fuel small businesses, empower women and youth, and put money directly into the hands of our communities. From hotels and restaurants to tour operators and artisans, Africa's travel indaba drives our visitor economy and keeps it thriving. In real terms, this means millions injected into the provincial GDP every year. It means thousands of jobs created and sustained. It means continuity and stability for an industry that matters deeply to our people. We've got it all. World-class infrastructure, Africa's most awarded convention center, over 2,000 graded hotel rooms within easy reach, and the kind of technical precision global events demand. But more than that, we have what no one else can offer: warm African hospitality, a seamless delegate journey, and experiences that stretch far beyond the venue walls. From beach to berg, city to bush, culture to cuisine, Durban KZN delivers Africa in full color. Africa's travel indaba is not an experiment in Durban KZN. It's a proven success. It's a living legacy. And now, it is officially home for the next 5 years. Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, the stage, the story, the home of Africa's travel indaba.